Most AI communities promise two things. They'll help you keep up with AI, and they'll help you build valuable skills. School of AI on Skool takes a different approach. Instead of focusing on AI news or endless ChatGPT prompts, it tries to teach you how to build AI systems from the ground up. After researching the community, I think that's both its biggest strength and the reason it won't be the right fit for everyone. School of AI is a Skool community created by Vivian Arana that focuses on practical AI engineering. The classroom includes courses on topics like AI agents, RAG, LangGraph, MCP servers, Python, AI automation, and deploying AI applications. Unlike many AI communities that revolve around webinars and discussions, this one is built around structured learning paths and hands-on projects. And if you want to learn why most people never make any real money online and what you can do to become the exception, make sure to grab your copy of the Income Lie Guide in the description of this video. A few short minutes might end up saving you a few long months of trial and error. Go and grab it in the description of this video while I'm still giving it away for free. Anyway, one thing I liked is that the classroom isn't just a collection of random videos. The content is organised into courses, boot camps, and guided projects that gradually become more advanced. Members also get access to community discussions, challenges, downloadable resources, and project-based certificates. From what I found, the goal isn't simply to finish lessons, it's to build projects you can actually add to your portfolio. For me, the biggest advantage is the practical focus. Instead of spending hours talking about AI, the community encourages members to build working applications. That's important because employers and clients usually care much more about what you've built than how many AI courses you've completed. If you leave with a portfolio of real projects, that's significantly more valuable than another certificate sitting on your computer. This isn't the type of community I'd recommend to everyone. Some of the courses recommend intermediate Python knowledge, and topics like LangGraph, RAG pipelines, and MCP servers aren't exactly beginner material. If you've only used ChatGPT for writing emails or generating images, you may find parts of the curriculum difficult. I think people with at least some programming experience will probably get much more from the community. And if you want to learn why the entire game is rigged against the small player and what you can do to turn that into your advantage, don't forget to grab your copy of the Income Lie Guide in the description of this video. A few short minutes might end up saving you a few long months of trial and error. So go and grab it in the description of this video now. Because I think School of AI makes the most sense for people who want to build AI applications rather than simply use AI tools. If your goal is becoming an AI engineer, building automations, or creating AI products, I can see the value. If you're mainly looking for ChatGPT tips or ways to become more productive at work, I think there are simpler and less technical options available. And if you stayed this far, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, grab your copy of the Income Lie Guide in the description of this video, and leave your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.